Good morning, everyone. Welcome back with me, Miss April. How are you today? I hope that you all feel good, happy, and wonderful. Because here, Miss April, as usual, I feel so excited. Especially today, because today, Miss April will teach you how to make a diorama of a desert. Hmm, I think you all know about desert already, right? That desert is a large areas with many sands. Alright, I cannot wait. Can I just start now? Okay, this is all what I need. I need milk or cereal or any kind of box. Okay, and here I use a cereal box. And because desert there is so many sands, then here I have sands. And I have some animal pictures. I have camel, I have eagle, I have fox, I have scorpion, I have camel, snake, and also some cactus. I have some cactus here. Alright. Now, not only that, I also have a scissor, color pencil, and glue. Okay, now let's start, everyone. Alright, first, because desert there is many sands, then I will fill all the sands inside the box. I will pour the sands in. Alright, look at this. Spread over the sand. And put it aside. Okay, after that, I need to color my animal pictures. I will color the box. I'll color the box. This orange color, color it nicely. Do it carefully. Okay, do it carefully. Coloring is your favorite activity, right? So I think you can color it nicely. Remember, do it neatly. It doesn't have to be fast, but you need to do it carefully. Alright, almost done. Okay, I'm done. This is my box. Now, after we color it, then we can cut the picture. We cut the picture, okay? We cut the picture. And do it slowly. Alright. Done. Ta-da! Okay, then you need to color them all and cut all the animal pictures and also the cactus. And now, after we cut them, after we colored them, then we need to paste all of the animals inside the box, into the box. Okay, now I will start from the cactus. Okay, I will use the crumpled paper. Look at me. The crumpled paper, it will help the animal and also the cactus to stand properly. Alright, then I will stick it here, and after that I will paste it right here and stick it. Look at this, it can stand, right? Okay, next we can paste all of them. I will put all the cactus. Look at here. I'll put it here. And one more. I will put it right here. This side. Ta-da! Next, we can paste the animals. First, I will put the snake here. I will put the snake in. And then I will put the camel. Camel. And then fox. I'll put the fox here. Put it right like this. And of course, I will put the scorpion. I'll put it over here. And what's next? Oh, I have an eagle. I'll put this eagle on the top of the cactus because eagle can fly, right? Ta-da! Okay, oops. Need more glue. Here we go. Okay, now look at my diorama. It's nice, right? You can also make it by yourself. Now, it's your turn to make it, everyone. Follow the step and don't forget to take your video while you are making this diorama desert. Okay, good luck, everyone. Bye-bye.